And today I will tell about our latest addition to NoOnes marketplace, Fast Trades. Fast Trades is actually your trading widget. It allows you to buy and sell crypto in just 3 clicks. So the Fast Trade widget is available from your dashboard as a dedicated link in marketplace widget. Also, you can find it in menu and in a dedicated menu entry Fast Trade. Click on it. So now you see the widget itself, and the idea is quite simple. You can buy or sell crypto without the need to find for a specific or search for a specific offer or specific vendor. And the main problem that we actually solve that you don't need to compare offers according to multiple criteria or vendors who actually activated those offers. So we have two options, to buy or to sell. Let's try buy crypto. First, I need to provide fiat amount that I would like to spend, like 2000 of cities. I can select other fiat currencies if I would like to. Then I can select cryptocurrency that I would like to receive, Bitcoin, Tether or Circle. I see the estimate conversion rate for Bitcoin and I see that there is no fee. I click on buy, and on next screen immediately I see list of options to buy crypto. System shows me the best offer and I can select specific payment method that I actually have to. In this case we have Vodafone, MTN Mobile and MoMo. System shows us amount of crypto that I would like to, that I'm going to get, and it's worth in local currency. Let's stick to mobile money. This is actually, that's it. Your offer is already found. It is okay for you because we show only offers from budget traders, and I can start the trade in one click. Actually, that's it. The actual trade is started right away. Still, I have option to select other offers if I cannot find an offer that suits my needs, like I would like to find offer for very big amount, and actually I found one, but still I have option to select something on the marketplace, so I can switch to the marketplace directly and continue to search. What are advantages of fast trades? Well, first and most obvious advantage, you don't need to find for the offers, you don't need to search for the offers, because you just provide amount of crypto to buy or amount to fiat to spend, and system will show you the offers. Those offers, although those offers are not the best offers in terms of price, we try to find offers that will guarantee or will solve the problem of unresponsive vendors, of price negotiation, this kind of stuff. So the idea is quite straightforward. You select, you state your need, and we find offer for you in just 3 clicks. Still, you have option to find offers by yourself while switching to the main marketplace. Like I would like to sell something very big and I don't like those offers, so I have option to switch to the classic marketplace. Then I can look for those offers. Actually, that's it. So the idea of a fast trade is just simplify buying and selling experience for new users